Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Today I'm super excited to bring to you guys an unboxing of the Aorus Master by Gigabyte, and it's the RTX 3090. Now before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know that I fund this channel completely myself. I don't get anyone to pay for it, hence the unbiased reviews. So if you appreciate that, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and that way you'll be ensuring that my work continues. Now the box is a bit damaged and I've opened it up already. So if you look at the box over here, it's damaged. A dog chewed through it. Okay, so that's the box over here. That's the damaged side. Okay, now let's give this an open. So you open it up from up here. It's a really nice box. I like the box. It's very nice. I like it. And the reason is because you can carry it around very easily. Most of them, they don't put much effort into the box. So opening it up, I'll open it the other way around because of the camera. I've got the camera here and it's making it really hard to open it. So that's opened up. Okay, so you've got the first thing to look at is the Aorus paperwork. Okay. So you get some stickers and things like that, and the manual and all that stuff. So let's get that out of the way. After that, you get a really nice solid cushion foam to ensure that there's no damage. Okay, you've got the GPU here. I'll get that out of the way. And now you get a bit of a sticker that you can put onto stuff. That's basically it. Okay, now let's look at the GPU itself. Okay, so that's the bad boy over here. Look at those fins. That's the biggest fan over here, and it kind of goes smaller on the other sides. It's a really thick card. It's got an LCD here. It's got the BIOS switch up here as well, and it's marked nice and clearly with silent and OC, so overclocked BIOS. Guys, that's basically it. What did you guys think about that? I hope you guys enjoyed that experience. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like me to do with this card and what you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching it to the end. Take good care. Bye bye.